I'm Naivek, a Google developer expert and a huge Angular fan. Welcome to Build AI-powered UIs with Angular, a hands-on course where we'll combine the power of Angular with the intelligence of AI. Together, we'll build a full-featured chat application powered by OpenAI. We'll start from the ground up, setting up the project, implementing a backend for streaming responses, and connecting everything to the frontend. Then we'll add all the fun stuff, a clean chat UI, markdown support, a theme switcher. We will explore debug tools and advanced hash brown features like tool calling and runtime handlers. And the best part, when you get the course, you also get a local HTML site that includes every step of the project. Each video is perfectly in sync with the corresponding code, so you can follow along step by step without ever getting lost. This course isn't just about watching code, it's about building it. You'll learn how to debug, connect, and experiment with real AI workflows inside Angular. By the end, you'll not only have a complete working project, you'll have the skills to build your own AI-powered Angular apps from scratch. So if you are ready to level up your Angular skills and bring AI into your UI, join me in Build AI-powered UIs with Angular.